What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you by far the easiest way of making flavorful butter. We're going to make with you a compound butter using some fresh, as you can see, homegrown parsley and confit garlic. So first things first, wash thoroughly your herbs or parsley in my case and drain off any excess water. Here a very handy tool to have would be a salad spinner. It will help you to get rid of the excess moisture without using a ton of paper towels like I do here, which is quite wasteful. Don't be me, be better. Next, gather your now dried herbs and chop them roughly. I would recommend to use the chiffonade method, which you can quite well see me illustrating here. So what you're gonna do for this method is to roll your parsley in a small tube and slice. Thickness doesn't really matter in this case. However, I would recommend to avoid slicing repeatedly through your herbs so you don't bruise and get darker before we mix it up with butter. Next optional step would to cut your room temperature butter into small pieces, just so it's easier to mix it up in the further steps. However, if it's as soft as mine is here, it's totally unnecessary. But you know, it wouldn't hurt. Then set up your stand mixer, add the parsley in, add your beautiful soft confit garlic. Also, wouldn't hurt to mash it up a little bit before you add it in. Finally, add in the soft butter and mix until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated and mixed together. Do not, however, get too excited here, because the process of mixing may increase the temperature and your butter may start to melt. So do keep an eye on it, will you? And in just a few moments, our compound garlicky herby butter is basically ready. All what's left to do is to mold it in some sort of a shape. And as you might have noticed from my previous butter infusion videos, my method of choice is to roll it in a plastic wrap, a method as old as emulsification itself. So roll your butter in a tube, first try to avoid the air bubbles, then get rid of the air bubbles that you couldn't avoid by poking them with a sharp knife and letting the air out. Roll it again in another plastic wrap, blah 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 blah, and here we go, the butter is ready. Now just cool it down in the fridge for a few hours until it fully hardened. And that's it, as easy as that, and also super tasty. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.